In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dashed line in Canva. If you're working on a design and want to separate sections, create a timeline, or add a subtle visual guide, a dashed line is a clean, simple way to do it. We'll keep things straightforward and make sure you know exactly what to click and why. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on the screen, look to the left side of the editor. This is where you'll find the main panel, and from here you'll click Tools. Tools is the section that groups basic shapes and elements you can drop into your design. Inside that area, locate the line icon. It usually looks like a simple diagonal stroke. Click that, and then choose the straight line option. That places a clean, horizontal, or vertical line onto your canvas, ready for styling. Now that you've added a line, make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the line highlighted with handles on the ends. With the line active, shift your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. This top bar changes based on what you've selected, and for lines, it provides all the controls you need. Find the control labeled Stroke Style. This is where Canva lets you adjust how the line looks, not just its color, but the pattern of the stroke itself. Click Stroke Style to open the style options. You'll see choices for different line appearances, and among them is the dashed style. Select Dashed. As soon as you do, Canva applies that pattern to your line on the canvas, turning a solid stroke into evenly spaced dashes. That's all it takes. If your line doesn't look dashed right away, double-check that the line is still selected and that you click the dashed option in Stroke Style, not any other setting. Also, remember that you don't have to change anything else for a dashed look to work. The style change applies instantly to the line you already placed. To recap, you opened your project, went to Tools on the left, clicked the line icon, chose the straight line, selected the line on your canvas, went up to the toolbar, opened Stroke Style, and switched the style to dashed. A quick, reliable method that keeps your design tidy and consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy adding polished dashed lines to your Canva designs.